Are you sad Samsung didn't join the Android P beta program? Well, then here is Good Luck 2018.
Keep it on the level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the. Keep it on the level.
Back in 2016, Samsung released the Good Luck app for its devices running Marshmallow, and it pretty much was a preview of what Android 7 Nougat with Samsung Experience UI on top will look like, which we eventually saw in the Note 7. Well, now Samsung did update the app to support its OREO devices, and it comes with various new features. Some are new and awesome, and some are old but great. So let's check them out. The first one is Task Changer. So this brings the Android P-ish type of recent kind of what we see in Android P beta. Samsung has reworked its app animations to be more fluid and beautiful, and has also added a couple of new tweaks here and there. You can even change the style of the recent tabs, and it now has also a mini view mode for those tiny little hands out there. Next up is the Routines app. It's similar to something like the age-old Tasker app, only running without root. You can create variety of routines like this one. When the device locates I am at home, it automatically changes certain settings and can maybe open an app or leave your device unlocked. Here I've also set up a battery saver routine as per my liking. And then there is my favorite one, the YouTube time routine. I've set it in such a way that it would keep my screen on, turn on the Wi-Fi, and stay in landscape mode, which is how I would use YouTube mostly. And the big thing is it works perfectly. Next is QuickStart. It's an app for customizing the quick settings, notification panel, and the status bar. You could entirely change how your quick settings look, hide a certain icon from the status bar, and get a multi-window button right in the notification tray. Then there is Lockstar. I don't know why Samsung is going up with all the stars. This holds customizations for your lock screen. You can create a new style by simply choosing from various backgrounds, changing the style and location of the clock, and up to 6 app shortcuts. And even choose what lock screen elements you like on your lock screen. So, a lot of customization over here. Then there is Edge Lighting Plus, which basically adds more edge lighting effects to the inbuilt ones. And I like them. And I noticed one of the new edge lightings, the Celebrate one, we can't change the colors, but it looks completely beautiful. Then there is Edge Touch, which places a safeguard mechanism, I'll say, in place to prevent those unwanted and accidental touches to the curved edges, which feels quite insignificant but is really useful in real life usage. And I forgot to mention the One-Handed Operation Plus app, which adds a back swipe gesture to the edges, which is also handy at times. So yeah, while other companies' flagship may be running Android P beta, Samsung is still stuck with Android 8.0. And I know Samsung may not be wanting to risk running buggy vanilla Android on its devices, but come on man, at least Samsung should have released a 8.1 update. I mean, you are one SDK level less than even the stable 8.1 on a flagship from a company that's on top of the Android market. Think upon it, Samsung. Well, hit the thumbs up button if you like the video and the red subscribe button as well, and feel free to comment down your thoughts. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
live on the road looking like